it's just computer science in your Jamb, right? Or not just computer science, any computing course. Well, these are 5 things you should know before submitting that for. One, mathematics will follow you all through your degree. Yes, most of you think that when you get into the university and you're studying computer science, that's the end of it with mathematics. Spoiler alert, have to deal with topics like binary, logic, etc., because you actually need them to run a successful program in your course. Number 2, it is not just about pressing your phones and typing the laptop. It is all about writing codes. Yeah, for those of you that don't know what code is, this is what a code looks like. Would you be writing codes? That's because you actually would be commanding the computers to perform tasks, and you won't just do that by learning how to use softwares. You have to learn how to write the programs itself that make the computer to function. So you have to prepare yourself for that. And at number 3, learn any programming language before applying, or after applying. Just whichever way it is, just don't rely on the school information to learn coding, because it could be very much exhausting. You can learn programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++, just any of them. Even if it's just typing a code that can produce hello world on the screen, that can help you. At number 4, computer science will make you think like you want to run mad. Yes, computer science, cybersecurity, software engineering, you name it. As long as it has to do with computing, you have to be a critical thinker. You have to be ready to think and solve problems, because you don't just solve problems without being able to think. But number 5, which is a very funny part, society will start seeing you as this rich kid. Imagine the first time I came into my hood, coming back from school, they asked me what was my course. I was like, cybersecurity, and they're like, ooh, rich kid. And what makes me a rich kid? They will always have this mentality that we are the ones making the money on. I know what you'll be thinking, why did I say all this? Isn't it a good course, or did you make a wrong choice of course? The answer is no, you didn't. And computer science or any computer related course is actually a course or a good program to study in school. You just have to prepare yourself for this, and I hope with these 5 tips it was helpful for you. If you think that you want to grow in your study, click on that subscription button, follow. Here is all about growing. See you in the next video. Thank you. Peace out.